Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the huge assistant professor vacancies notifications from the two different colleges, guys. I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation, because here the multiple departments are covering. I can say that almost all the subjects are covering here, and the pay scales and the qualifications, each and everything as per the UGC norms. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the recruitment notifications or the advertisements from the two different colleges. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. The present content of the video, so it is the first college that I want to show you. So Avinashi Lingam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women. So it is a deemed to be university under category A by MHRD, okay, and re-accredited with A plus grade by NAC and recognized by the UGC. Fine. So from this one, here we got the recruitment notification, guys. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you will get the recruitments. Okay, and then click on this recruitment, and then you will be directed to this page, guys. And here you may check down the applications are invited for the post of temporary assistant professor, and the last date to apply is 16th August 2021. So click on this one, and then you will be directed to this PDF. So where all the subjects are mentioned here, you may check down. Of course, huge number of subjects are there, guys. So applications are invited for the post of temporary assistant professor in different departments under the following categories on contract basis. So resource management and food service management and dietetics and food science and nutrition, textiles and clothing, human development, home science extension education, chemistry, computer science, botany, zoology, BC, BT and BA, economics, English, music, psychology, visual communication, commerce, business administration, tourism management, education, special education, physical education. And coming to the aided courses, food service management and dietetics and textile and clothing, human development, home science extension education, and mathematics, physics, computer science, zoology, chemistry, BC, BT and BA, economics, French, psychology, business administration, tourism management, education and physical education. And the self-financed programs, campus 1, physics, information technology, BC, BT and BA, physician assistant, commerce, business administration. And in campus 2, mathematics, computer science, Tamil, French, English, psychology and commerce. Fine. And the qualifications as per the UGC norms or the AICT norms, the last date for submission of the application is 16th August 2021. And the application along with the biodata should be submitted to directly the registrar, Avinashi Lingam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women, Coimbatore, by registered post, or else the online mode. Online mode means you can able to send through this provided mail ID here, register@avinuty.ac.in by 5 o'clock. Okay, so all of you remember the last date is 16th August 2021. Okay, so these are the departments, guys. So I think for a few of these departments with only PG also you can apply, and for a few of the departments PG plus UGC NET is required. Fine. So anyhow, you just send your application along with the biodata and whatever the enclosures are there. Okay, you just find out. And if you're having any queries regarding this one, here the contact number is not provided. So you just put your query to this mail ID only. Okay, or else find out the contact number in the official website. Okay, so whatever the contact number you are getting from the official website, so based upon that one, try to make some inquiry. Okay, if you are having any queries, otherwise you just simply send the mail to this provided mail ID. Fine. So it is a one notification from one college, and the second one I want to show you is the Subharti University. And from this one, these are all the job opportunities, guys. Okay, you may check down. Okay, so here the multiple job vacancies are there. Of course, a few of these departments belongs to medicine department also, but apart from the medicine department, here the few more non-medicine departments are also there. So I think it will be helpful to you, and I will tell you the non-medicine subjects here. lab assistant, fashion and textile. If you want to know the qualifications regarding this one, just click on this plus. You will find out here the 10+2 interested candidates can send their resume. Okay, and then yeah, trainer electronics and communication engineering. So click on this plus. Diploma or ITI in electronics or biomedical instrumentation. Interested candidates may send your resume to the register@subarthi.org, and the mail ID is also provided here, so you may check down. Okay, so you just check down whatever the department you belongs to, and then click on that plus. You will get the qualifications there. You can send your thing to mail ID, or else you just click on this apply now here, and then here the online application form will opens. Okay, then start filling up of all these details and then click on the submit information. Fine. So total here the two ways of submitting the application is that one is sending your biodata to the provided mail ID. Second one is through here itself. Okay, click on this apply now, then you have to fill up the online application form, and I'm suggesting you to do the both. Okay, so one thing apply through website, and another one send your details to the provided mail ID. Just do both the two things. And the part-time coach is required taekwondo, boxing and kho, and human resource management, marketing management, finance and commerce, HR, and food and nutrition, human development, physical education, pedagogy of language, mathematics, science education, fashion design, food technology, electrical and electronics, and yeah, these are all the medicine related one. And here computer application, physics, chemistry, non-teaching. Okay, so lab assistant, diploma or ITI in CSC or BSc with the PCM. Fine. So agriculture and botany, biotechnology, statistics. So while coming to the botany, so BSc, MSc with PhD in the relevant subjects. That means if you want to apply for the assistant professor here, for few subjects in the assistant professor category, the PhD is mandatory, guys. That's what they mentioned here. In statistics, PhD. Fine. In mathematics, PhD is required. Okay, so chemistry, physics, print media, communication research, fine arts, interior design, and LLM. Yeah, so the few more departments are also given here. So I will provide all these links in the description box of this video. All these links means one is Subarthi College link, and second one is this Avinash Lingam Institute of Home Science and Higher Education for Women. Okay, both these two links I will provide in the description box of this video, so you please check down, guys. And don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi. Myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.